Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock and we'll go over the levels and zones that we'll be closely watching, and we have to closely watch for the next big move because as you can see Nvidia has pretty much just been sideways seems like forever, right? So but anyways, in this video we'll talk about all those zones, the price action and everything. With that, please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. And also, if you are interested in knowing about many other stocks, the plays on those, the trade plans, and how things are, there are 20 plus stocks already on my Patreon collections. You will find the link for that in the description of this video. I just posted an update as well this morning. So there's just, and the updates will, regularly they keeps coming out as per where the attention is needed and how the price action is looking like, and if there's any change in the trade plan, and or I also provide opinion on where to take partial profits and all of that. Again, all the trade plans with regular coverage on 20 plus stocks already you will find on my Patreon collections. Okay, link is in the description of this video. All right, so coming back to Nvidia over here. Now, Nvidia video that I have done 2 days ago as well, I talked about how Nvidia is in the downtrend, guys. Okay, I can show you again, like on my tools as well. Nothing has really changed in the structure. We are still in the red structure here, so Nvidia is still technically bearish. Okay, now the point is that we are pretty much going sideways. Like if you see where Nvidia is, like 176. The first time it tested around 180 was in the month of July. So 5 months have gone pretty much sideways action. Yes, we have gone up along the way, but mostly so far we are sideways, right? Most of the price action. Now, yes, these sideways actions can lead to a good breakouts as well, or a good flush as well to the downside. Now, definitely everything is still bearish right now on Nvidia. The important levels that I want to talk about, first let's talk about those levels, because that will bring us the next moves especially, right? So the first one is, now there is a level where some strength can build up as well, and then there is a stronger breakout level. So let's start off where first is some strength is possible to build, because right now I just showed you on the structure as well, Nvidia is just bearish. Okay, Nvidia is still bearish. Let's get to the hourly interval. So we have a level here, the zone $180.30. If Nvidia starts to get closer and above it, it's though not overall bullish, but it can start to form bullish strength. Okay, but until there, even if Nvidia few days shows you a little bit of a green candle, don't get so excited, as we are below 180 and 24 cents. That is still technically just a bearish structure. It's just for a day or so. Nvidia just tried to go up. My tools will help you to also do those day trades on, day trading side, swing side, long side. Anyways, my tools are also in the description of this video if you're interested to have access to those. Now, so that's a bit of a strength build-up level above 180 and 24 cents. The proper breakout, it's still the same zone that I have mentioned previously. That is $184. Only and only if Nvidia, from where it is, we'll get to the flush zone in just a second. Only and only if Nvidia, from where it is, gets above 184, then only it will open up for some swing plays, like a long side of the swing plays. Otherwise, no, you will still deal with the weakness on Nvidia. Now that brings me to the point of how low can we continue, and more specifically, where is the flush zone. Now we are not far away from that. Actually, it's just $172 around. We're just $4 away from that. This is your zone of the flush, because the next big move to the downside, because yes, move can go based on the structure, both sides, right? But what is the structure overall right now? We are bearish. So unless Nvidia really gains bullish structure, start of some strength about 180 and 24 cents, if that doesn't happen, we are still overall bearish. And though the next leg down is below $172 to $173, around that zone, this zone here. If we flush it, We may be testing closer to 163, 152 eventually as well, possibly. That's where I would consider 152 around that some more stabilization can come. But so far, Nvidia overall is still bearish. It's in the sideways action, so definitely it's a boring market for you right now. You don't make money on the sideways market unless you're just doing day trades. But for the swing side of the plays, you need to see a continuation of the moves. But those are the zones for the moves that we are potentially watching. Now, so far, everything right now as per the price action is still lining up onto the downside on Nvidia. Even though Nvidia is trying to hold just above 172 to 173, it is struggling to go higher, and that's a sign that bears are still in control. Okay, and 180 significant level up there, marked by my tools all automatically for you. $180.24 around. Until we are not getting above that, bulls are really not getting in control of Nvidia stock price action here. Okay, so that's Nvidia. Just before wrapping up, I want to just talk about, just take a look at S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 here as well. S&P 500, and I did a video on this as well, guys, on my channel a day or 2 days ago. And just continuing as per plan, I mentioned that this week will be a weaker week, and we are just continuing lower. We are still in the negative side on S&P 500. And similarly on Nasdaq 100, we are still on the negative side, as I have mentioned around 2 days ago as well, that this week will be a weaker week. Okay. Specific levels, trade plans on S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 are also on my Patreon. You will find them on my collection. You can check that out. Link is in the description of this video with many other stocks. All right. With that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.